My name is Dave DeSario, and I'm the Director of Temp Worker Justice, the national nonprofit organization for temporary workers. I'm here today in support of this bill, and as a former temp worker and someone who has researched temporary work and been in touch with many hundreds of temporary staffing agency workers over a decade of involvement on the issue. Research from Washington's Department of Labor and Industries is clear. In hazardous industries, temporary workers are twice as likely to suffer an injury, and they're clear that we can fix this. The bill directly addresses the causes so that workplace injuries for staffing agency workers can be reduced. It will protect these workers, and it will protect the better staffing agencies that are already taking these measures to ensure the safety of their employees. In 2014, following a series of workplace fatalities where temp workers were killed on their first day on the job, OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, launched its National Temporary Worker Initiative. It began a formal alliance with the staffing industry, and it issued guidance, recommended practices for protecting temporary workers, recommendations that have the support from labor groups and industry. And all of these actions have remained in place since, through Democratic and Republican administrations. This bill would be the first to codify many of the recommendations of OSHA from the federal level, and that also specifically refers back to the research from here in Washington in two important ways. First, before temp workers are placed on an assignment, everyone needs to know, that's temp workers, staffing agencies, and worksite employers, what the job responsibilities are, that potential hazards in the workplace are mitigated, and that proper training has been provided, really the basics. And during a job, if temp workers need to be reassigned to new responsibilities and exposed to different hazards, there again needs to be communication about training and preparedness to continue to ensure safe work. That's pretty straightforward and not too much to ask when lives are on the line. And that's why I'm here today to offer my sincere thanks to this committee for their leadership on this issue, which it first took up in 2019, and in support of this bill becoming law. Thank you.